Half a day, everyone. Welcome back to our new video, Scholarships 101, a guide to maximizing grants available to you. My name is Brent Espineda, and my partner is Joyce Javier. Before we begin, we would just like to inform you of a short disclaimer that the information being presented is based on research conducted by our presenters, and we encourage everyone to do your own research as well to be informed. Firstly, how often do you need to apply for scholarships? Well, that depends on the scholarship you are applying for. Some scholarships require you to apply during the fall semester and may cover an entire academic year, while others require for you to apply during the spring semester. If you wish to take summer programs or summer classes, some scholarships are available to be applied for during the summer, while most scholarships can be applied for during either or both semesters and cover a whole academic year. Here are some scholarship application tips. Firstly, submit your application early. Compile required documents ahead of time. Keep track of scholarship application and required documents deadlines. Fill out a memorandum of agreement form when needed. And lastly, attend NMC's Cash for College events, in which many scholarship opportunities will be available for NMC students. Federal aid. The scholarship granted by the federal is called the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. As of now, here are the deadlines for FAFSA. For school year 2020 to 2021, it is due on June 30, 2021, and corrections are due on September 11, 2021. For school year 2021 to 2022, it is due on June 30, 2022, and corrections are due on September 10, 2022. To apply for FAFSA, you can visit studentaid.gov for the online application, or you can visit the Financial Aid Office located between Building O and Building P for the paper application. Here are some required documents for FAFSA. If reporting a $0 income, you must provide a low-income verification form. If reporting annual income, you must provide a signed copy of your 1040 from the Department of Revenue and Tax, a signed copy of your parents' 1040 from the Department of Revenue and Tax for dependent students, and W-2 statements if you and/or your parents did not or will not file taxes. Other requirements are a copy of your passport, birth certificate or green card, a copy of your high school diploma, transcript, and/or certificate of completion, a verification worksheet form, a copy of you and/or your parents' Medicaid card, statement of benefits if you and/or your parents are receiving SS income and/or SS benefits, a copy of you and/or your parents' food stamp certification with the amount, and other documents as requested by the Financial Aid Office.
Moving on to state and local aid. The first is CNMI Scholarship, and they offer scholarships for both full-time and part-time students. The most common that students apply for is the EAP Base Grant. There is also the Nursing School Scholarship, and there is also the Marianas Employees Financial Aid, which is for full-time employees within the Commonwealth who are enrolled part-time in NMC. And here are their deadlines for their applications. July 1st is their annual deadline, and it is good for one academic year. And the next is December 15th, which is their mid-year deadline that is only good for the spring term. And here are the deadlines for their supporting documents. On September 30th, that's the deadline for fall semester, and February 28th, which is a deadline for spring semester. And how you would apply for the CNMI scholarship is you would need to go to their website, which is cnmischolarship.net. You would need to create an account if you're new and fill out the student profile section. And the next step, which is to fill out the actual application, which you can find in their website. And here are the required documents for new students. You would need to provide a copy of your acceptance letter, your official transcript, your class schedule, proof of citizenship, proof that you're a registered CNMI voter, proof of 3 years consecutive CNMI residency, as well as proof of major. And once you're an ongoing student, the required document becomes less. And so if you're an ongoing student, you just need to submit an acceptance letter if you're changing schools, your official transcript, your class schedule, proof of major, and last but not the least, your memorandum of agreement, which is what you need to turn in before you can receive your check. Next, we have Saipan Higher Education Financial Assistance, which is also referred to as SHEFA, and here are the deadlines for their application and supporting documents. For fall 2021, the application is due July 1st, and supporting documents are due September 30th, 2021. For spring 2022, the application is due by December 1st of this year, and the supporting documents are due next year, March 1st. And to apply for their financial assistance, you can download or print the application form that you can find from their website, which is saipanshefa.net. So you have the option of printing the application and filling it out, or you can fill out the application electronically by editing the PDF after you've downloaded it. And if you do choose to fill out the application electronically, you can email this to saipanshefa@gmail.com. And you can also email them the required documents as well. So for new applicants, here are the required documents, which is a copy of your acceptance letter, proof of CNMI residency, copy of valid passport or government issued ID, official transcript, copy of your class schedule, proof of cast of vote in the recent election, as well as career assessment profile. Moving on to private aid.
The first scholarship under private aid is the Asian and Pacific Islander American Scholarship. This scholarship focuses on those who are from low-income backgrounds and first-generation college students, representatives of the APIA community, and emphasize community service, leadership, and academic excellence. The awards of this scholarship range from one-time $2,500 to multi-year $20,000 year awards. As of now, the deadline for school year 2021 to 2022 has been met, as it was due on January 14, 2021. And the application is closed. So just keep an eye out for application openings at apiascholars.org/scholarship/apia-scholarship, or keep an eye out for your emails, as NMC always informs students of scholarship openings. Here are the eligibility requirements. You must be of Asian or Pacific Islander ethnicity, be a citizen, a national, or a legal resident of the US, an undergraduate student, a minimum GPA of 2.7, must apply for school year 2021 to 2022 FAFSA by early April 2021, and submit one letter of recommendation. The Asian American and Native American Pacific Islander serving institutions. This scholarship is very similar to APIA, but is only available to ANAPISI partners. Fortunately, NMC is an ANAPISI partner. The awards of this scholarship range from one-time $2,500 to multi-year $20,000 year awards. As of April 2021, there is no confirmed deadline, and applications are closed. So just keep an eye out for application openings at apiascholars.org/scholarship/anapisi-scholarship. Or keep an eye out for your emails, as NMC always notifies students of scholarship openings. Here are the eligibility requirements. You must be of Asian or Pacific Islander ethnicity, be a citizen, a national, or legal resident of the US, have applied for school year 2021 to 2022 FAFSA, enrolled full-time in a degree-seeking program. Unfortunately, solely online students are not eligible to apply. Students who already have a bachelor's degree are also not eligible. The Saipan Chamber of Commerce Scholarship. There are 3 categories under the scholarship. First is the Chamber Education Award. This is for those who are seeking higher education at the Northern Marianas College, and is available for those who live in Saipan, Tinian, and Rota. Second is the Pellegrino Vocational Education Award, which is unfortunately only available for those on Saipan. This is for those seeking higher education at vocational trade institutions on or off island. Thirdly is the Innovation Award, which is also only available on Saipan. This is for those seeking education in STEM or business-related field on or off island. As of now, the application deadline for school year 2021 to 2022 is due on May 26, 2021 at 5 p.m. For you to apply to the Saipan Chamber of Commerce Scholarship, you can visit www.saipanchamber.com/scholarship-program.
Moving on to the Tan Su Lin Foundation Scholarship. They usually award one $1,000 scholarship to 10 full-time NMC students. 5 of these awards will be going to students pursuing a business degree, and the other 5 will be going to students who are pursuing other degrees that are offered at NMC. As of this semester, we have no information regarding the availability of this scholarship. However, when this scholarship does become available, the Financial Aid Office will be sending out an email regarding information, deadlines, and how you can apply for this scholarship. And here are the eligibility requirements for this scholarship. Moving on to the Maths and Navigation Company Scholarship. They usually award one $500 scholarship to 3 full-time NMC students, and they go to students who are pursuing a degree in either Bachelor's in Business Management or Associate of Applied Science in Accounting. And similar to the Tan Su Lin Foundation Scholarship, there are no updates regarding the availability of this scholarship, but once this scholarship becomes available, the Financial Aid Office will be sending out an email to students. And here is the list of the eligibility requirements for this scholarship. And lastly, we've listed 2 websites that you could visit to check for various scholarships, colleges, and financial aid opportunities. The first is fastweb.com. The next is bigfuture.collegeboard.org/scholarship-search. And thank you guys for watching. For more information, or if you need any assistance in filling out the applications, please feel free to contact us at Project PROA at marianas.edu, and we'll try to help you guys out. Or you can also contact the Financial Aid Office at fao@marianas.edu if you have any further questions.